God have mercy upon us.
Hey, what's up, man? How can I help?
I am here for just a good vegan juicy burger. Yeah.
The number one burger is the All-American cheeseburger, of course.
What do you recommend for as a dessert?
Oh, our desserts. See, I have cookies and cream, and I have mango dragon fruit. Would you like
I'll take one of those Oreos.
1565? Okay, good. Card.
Okay,
Give me a moment. Be back with that.
fabulous.
All right, got your cookies and cream. Look at that. Right? Cool.
Oh, wow. I gotta take a photo of that. Guy's gonna hate me for this back at the college.
What you think about?
This is that good? This is really that good? That's a winner in my book, man. Number one vegan spot in America. Oh my God. Before I go, Viva Las Vegan, tasty. The boys back at the university college, college, they're gonna hate me. I'm not a rapper, but I love this stuff. Chef, keep doing your thing, man. This is great stuff.
Sweet melody.
Forgot them cookies and cream. Oh gosh. I picked that up.
What? Technologia.
I'll be back. Is that my fault? Dang.